Hey everyone, this is Brian with Headset Buddy. Today we're testing out the ClearMic 3504 and with the Bose Quiet Comfort 35, and we're going to compare it to the native built-in microphone that's in the ear cup. So let's take it for a test drive. Probably hear my wipers going on in the background on this beautiful wintry day here in Austin, 51 degrees and raining. And you might hear some drops of water on the roof and the windshield, or some of the car engine noise. So we designed the 3504, like our other ClearMics, to reduce background noise. So you can use your beautiful, amazing Quiet Comfort headphones in louder places and have conversations with less background noise. So whether that's somewhere loud like a car or an airport or a loud office or a coffee shop, the ClearMics can take away a lot of that background noise. So let's go ahead and switch out the mics and see the difference. Okay, now we're using the ClearMic 3504. You probably notice a big difference in sound. Some of the background noises are a lot less. You might still be able to hear some, but they're dramatically reduced in the audio profile. So yeah, I mean, this is actually the product. These are the headphones I use at home, and I use the ClearMic. I bring it with me whenever I'm traveling, because I like to travel. And yeah, it's wonderful for loud spots. I take a lot of calls, and a lot of times people don't even know that I'm not sitting somewhere in an office. That's kind of the beauty of the 3504, is that yeah, it takes away a lot of that background noise, like all our other ClearMics. So this has been Brian with Headset Buddy. If you have any more questions, visit headsetbuddy.com. If you do have a ClearMic, or you have any questions about the ClearMic, you can contact us, help@longtailproducts.com, or visit help.longtailproducts.com. Hope you have a great day, and better than this one.